guys. So I'm recording this because I was thinking to myself, I wish I had a place to like share my thoughts and talk about everything without needing to upload like daily videos. So basically on my channel, I only upload stuff that's like sort of more meaningful. And I have a second channel where I upload stuff that's kind of just like extras. But if I uploaded it on the second channel, I feel like it doesn't really reach many people. And then I remembered I can just talk to the camera and put it in my Uni Diaries. So I'm back home right now, and ever since I finished my last assignment for uni on the 27th, I've been wanting to take a break, and it's like I've been wanting to, just relax. Sorry, I don't know if this is skew. It's okay. Yeah, just like relax and stuff. But now I want to start making stuff again. But I noticed that I'm kind of stuck because like I've recorded a bunch of content in my time off, and now I have so much I don't actually know how to put it together. So yeah, I've been kind of stuck. Like even though it probably only takes like 4 hours to edit that video, um, it's been taking me like days. So yeah, I don't think I'm burnt out, to be fair. It's just that I wanted to take a break because I finished my stuff, but then I realized that like on that break, I didn't really enjoy it because I wasn't making anything. So I've been recording a lot of clips and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna start that today. I mean, it's like 5:07 p.m. on the 8th of April, and I haven't really done much. So I'm just gonna get started because I know that once I actually start, then time will progress. Like I'll actually start making progress. It's just the initial breakthrough point. So I'm gonna do some stretches because I've been stretching every day, and then yeah, this is gonna come out the next week's Uni Diaries. Like I've already been working on those, even though I haven't finished the previous one. And yeah, I mean the channel's been a bit inactive, but I think it's okay. I've just been like figuring stuff out. At the end of the day, this is my interest, so I'm not gonna go anywhere because if I'm not doing this, I'm not doing anything, right? So that's basically how I see it. It's like I will come back to it. I just wanted to record this because I was like, I have so many thoughts and I wanted to talk about this, but I don't know where to upload it, and I might as well put it in a uni diary. I was going in the direction of making those more cinematic, but to be honest, like, it's nice to include this, so, yeah. Sorry, a bit informal, but, yeah, we'll do that. See you guys later.